Charcoal is the impure amorphous carbon that preserves the original structure of the wood and the tar left in the holes. Outdoor ball machine installation. To do waterproof treatment, if the suspension installation is used, there is a gap between the charcoal ball press and the bracket. In case of rain or snow, water can seep into the interior along the cracks and cause harm. Therefore, when the charcoal ball press is installed, waterproof sealing measures should be taken to prevent rain from entering the ball machine insulation bracket. From the spiral interface, we recommend using the original stent because the original bracket fully considered the waterproof problem, such as the inclination design to make the ball machine spin slightly higher end, even if the water in the bracket will only flow back to the column but not into the ball machine. Therefore, if the user makes their own bracket, should fully consider the waterproof factor of the charcoal ball press.